Welcome! If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to give another admin the power to manage topics, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, organizing conversations using topics is easier than ever, and you can decide exactly who gets to control them. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, find the group where you're an admin. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or searching for the group's name. Click on the group to enter the chat. At the top right corner of the group window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group settings, where you control all the important features. Inside the group management menu, look for the section labeled Administrators. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Find the admin you want to give topic management rights to, and click on their name. Now, you'll see a list of permissions you can grant to this admin. Look for the option called Manage Topics. Toggle this option on to allow the selected admin to create, edit, and organize topics within your group. Once you've enabled this permission, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully allowed another admin to manage topics in your Telegram group. This feature is perfect for keeping large groups organized, letting discussions stay focused, and making sure every subject has its own space. With the right permissions, your team of admins can keep conversations tidy and engaging for everyone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Telegram group experience.